What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 1,491, down about 8% on the day. We are seeing some signs of pullback here. We're seeing a market cap of 180 billion, 24-hour volume 18.7 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we're looking at this as the finish of our wave 3. And wave 4 pullback, the minimum target, the 0.236, but it does usually come down to the 0.382 and the 0.5. Does look like that is a high likelihood of playing out. As you can see here, we've been creating higher highs on the 4-hour time frame, significantly lower highs on the RSI, and money's flowing out. So we're losing strength and money is flowing out while price is pushing up, which is like a 75% chance that you are going to see that pullback. So if we do come down here, target the 0.382, 1357, the 0.5 at 1282. If we break the 0.5, we come all the way down to the golden ratio, it's going to invalidate that as a wave 4 pullback. Now, if we look at Ethereum here on this chart, you can see it better. See, we have a triple top and you have the bearish divergence. So you have multiple indications of some pullback. And if this neckline is broken here, the technical target would take you all the way down here to about 1329. And 1329, yeah, 1329 is right in between the 0.5 and the 0.382. So there's a little bit more confluence that we could see a bounce off that level. Ethereum has come up and touched that major level of resistance that we've been covering here on the channel, where I had dropped in this yellow box in between about 1671 and about 1766. We came up and we hit it absolutely perfectly. This is a little bit of a topping tail candle, and as you can see right now, we are seeing quite a strong bearish candle. So we would need to see a bounce for ETH if we're going to maintain this wave structure. The maximum would be 1282, the 0.5 here. If we come down and lose the golden ratio, same thing with BTC, I do think you would come all the way back down to where you started, which is coming in about 1,000 for our friend Ethereum. That's basically it for this update here. Just watch this neckline. If it is broken, I would expect you to come down to the technical target of 1326, which lines up with the bounce zone in between the 0.5 and the 0.382. As you can see, we beautifully met that technical target of 1630. We absolutely exploded for ETH. So it's healthy to see some pullback as we are trending towards overbought here on the RSI as well as on the money flow on the daily time frame. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits at $10 a month, you can gain access to the end of the month. And if you stay signed up, it's $10 for life. It's jumping up to 25 bucks a month at the end of July going into August. So scoop it up now while you can. There's also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. And that's basically it. Sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses. All links are in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.